Hi guys, a new site today, and today the domain is Beep. It's an expired domain, but not that powerful. It has some decent links from Reddit or Product Hunt or Dev.to and so on. Not many links as well. It's almost like a fresh domain, but I like the domain name. The domain is basically about commands and it's in the tech niche, so we can do the coding stuff here, like list of all commands like Python and so on. So instead of doing all the commands here, like there are a lot of them, I decided to just use the keyword shift tool and simply use the wildcard asterisk command in Python. It has all these questions and titles like bash command in Python, so it will be a good mixture of everything. I'll get keywords now. For other languages, command in Perl. What I've done is I've asked ChatGPT to give me all the languages there are, like C++, Java, JavaScript, C hash, and so on. So we'll have a quite big site, right? So Python, Perl, Ruby, and what else we can do? Okay, we have five categories. So the good thing about keyword shift is all these keywords should have volume, and it also finds some really low competitive keywords like Python subprocess codes in commands. It has like Reddit, and I think it will be easier to outrank these sites in a way. Like post just update, probably Reddit forums won't be ranking anymore, so we'll have an upper hand because we'll have a lot of sites covering all these keywords, and either it will be replaced by Google's SGE or it will be our site. So it will be interesting to find what happens for six categories. This was quite fast, and I'll publish the article straight away. I have a couple of new domains as well from GoDaddy auctions and Spamzilla, my own hunting in the backend, and so on. It's all coming along quite fast now because I have like these different sources before I go for fresh domains. By the way, guys, one more site got approved on Ezoic, so total five sites out of 13 so far, I think 13 or 14. Total four got rejected, five got approved. The four got two more got rejected yesterday, but then I reached out to them to understand why that happened, and I think I have a good idea on how to make them approve it every time because those were like silly mistakes, and I have already shared that in the private mastermind that we have about 1000 articles for this niche, and it should be quite nice to see how this performs almost like you're building a new site and you have built out some foundation links on these sites like Product Hunt. So this is the site for today, and I'll start publishing the articles using auto blogging. The blog is hosted on Easy Blog Networks, and see you tomorrow with a new site.